Engineer Chen, Product Development Manager at Antuator, introduces Antuator's new products.
Why did Antuator Technology design this controller specifically for the sunshade market? Based on existing market solutions in harsh outdoor environments, insufficient stability and reliability under high temperature, low temperature, rain exposure, and electromagnetic interference conditions, high failure rates and frequent after-sales issues cause considerable distress to customers, especially for overseas and customers. High after-sales costs and brand reputation damage far exceeds the value of the equipment itself. Solve customer pain points. We have developed this highly reliable controller for this purpose.
We successfully launched the ANT17 awning market-specific controller at the end of May 2025.
The Hall-type actuators can be flexibly configured to form upper and lower limits, supporting synchronization of the two actuators while maintaining independent operation. As a configuration, non-Hall effect electric linear actuators maintain upward compatibility with traditional design schemes for users. The controller can monitor the internal operational status of the electric linear actuators in real time and provide alarm protection functions, including overcurrent protection, load synchronization fault alarms, and load signal loss alarms. In terms of lighting options, it supports LED plus LED mode, or dual-color LED plus dual-color LED mode.
It supports traditional 433 remote control protocols and Bluetooth functionality,
as well as the TUIA Wi-Fi Smart App, allowing users to easily connect to smart app platforms such as Xiaomi, Amazon, and Google.
Equipment protection ratings. We currently offer users two options IP65 and IP67 to choose from. We believe that the launch of the Antuator ANT17 energy-saving professional controller will provide our solution providers and end users with enhanced design capabilities and a more comfortable user experience.
Thank you all.